Hello, and welcome to Connections, small ag producer workshops funded by the Show Me Entrepreneurial Grant for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority. I'm Clara Dickinson, an instructor of agricultural communications at Missouri State University, and today we'll be going over how to create Google contact list and schedule emails for later in Gmail. To use Google Contacts to create mailing lists, you'll start by searching Google Contacts and selecting the page. Once you're in here, you can see if you already have contacts that you've added. You can see frequent contacts, so these would be people that you would email often that you also might want to add to different lists. You can also see your other contacts. If you have emailed someone in the past and would like to add them to a list, you can do that here as well. You can also import. If you have, say, an Excel file with email addresses, you can select that to import them all at once. And then down here you have labels. This will be what will create a mailing list. So I have created market updates and new products, and if I go into that, you can see I already have people in these lists, and it shows me if they're in both lists or just one. If I need to create a new list, I would just click this label and then give it a name and click Save. So say I want to create a new contact for my contact list, I would come up here to our Create Contact button, and I can do multiple or just one. Today I'm going to add Boomer Bear to the list, and I can add company, job title, even phone number and birthday, but today Boomer just gave me an email address. And I'm going to click Save once I have his information in. And then I can see that I can email him, or I can schedule him, or I can come back to my list. But I did not yet add him to a mailing list. So I can come over here and either edit him, or I can do more actions, and I can select which labels he would like to be a part of. So Boomer just wanted to be a part of market updates, so I'm going to add him to that list only. If I want to add a contact directly to one of these lists, I can come down here and select the list, and then if I click New Contact and create, that person will be added directly to that list. So we're going to add Mow the Mule to new products. And we're going to click Save. And we can see here that he's already been labeled, and if we come back to new products, we have Growl and Mow the Mule and Molly the Mule all in the list. Once we have all of our contacts in the different list, in the different labels that we want, we can come over here to our Gmail box and just send an email in as normal. So we'll click Compose, and we'll type in our body of our email. We'll give it a subject. And then we'll come up here to recipients, and we can either put in market update, and you'll see that that list will show up. Or if I was doing new products, that list also shows up. So this is a market update email, so I will add market update. And everyone that is a part of that list in new contacts will be sent the email. I can either now send that directly to them all right now, or I can do more send options and schedule send. So say I want to send this on August 30th at 1 p.m. I can put that in there, click schedule send. And then now that I have that scheduled, I can come over here to the sidebar and I can see this email, and it gives me the ability to cancel send. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Clara Dickinson, and this is Connections, small ag producers workshops funded by the Show Me Entrepreneurial Grant for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority.